Okay, so we got this. This is a 1970 Fender Champ. It's pretty good shape. I rewired this amp to do like modern heater wiring. I installed a brand new Hammond 290AX power transformer and a brand new multi-tap output transformer from Hammond as well. I forget the numbers on it, but it's got the 3.2, 8 ohm, and 16 ohm taps on it. I may put a switch on the back, but I mean, if you're handy, it's easy enough to. It's just one wire that you have to change going to the RCA jack on the chassis if you want to use different speakers. I'm going to include, if I don't end up doing that, I'm going to include a specially made speaker cable that's actual speaker cable that goes from RCA to 1/4 inch, so you can just plug in a regular speaker. Right now there's spade connectors on it, but in order to do this I had to install an isolated lamp because Fender was getting really cheap on these, and they used the ground of the lamp and ran a single wire to the heaters. For some reason I haven't gotten a chance to open this up and look in it, but the light is fine, the bulb is fine, and it's passing signal through it to the rest of the amp, but for some reason the bulb isn't going on. I don't know what's going on with that thing. It was just a lamp I had in my a socket that I had in my drawer, and the Joule screwed right into it, so I used it only to find out that for some reason the bulb won't light up. Anyways, so this is a really nice amp right now. It's got brand new power transformer, brand new output transformer. It has a brand new CE manufacturing 420 capacitor. Nice, and everything's new. I had to use these modern Sovtech power tubes because the voltage is so high on these things. I have a lot of nice 6v6s, but I can't really use them in this thing because of the plate voltage is pretty high. I tried some different preamp tubes. This is one from the late 50s. I just pulled this out of a Baldwin organ like 2 hours ago. I've got 2 more of these. This thing sounds incredible. You'll hear it in just a second, but the cable they had sucked, so I made a custom cable with 14 gauge wire soldered to this RCA gold plated connector. I got spade connectors, there's some length on this so that you can plug it into a different speaker, connect to the terminals on a different speaker. The speaker that came with these amps, it didn't sound terrible, but it's old, it's a piece of shit. I'll sell it for somebody who wants a stock speaker in their Champ. I don't really care about keeping a stock speaker. I want this thing to sound good. This is an 8-inch speaker from a Hammond organ. It's a little beefier than your standard Silverface Champ 8-inch speaker. It's 8 ohms on the dot, DC resistance. It's like 7.9 and half ohms. And this thing sounds incredible compared to the stock speaker, so this is staying in here. I've been holding on to this speaker for a while. Anyways, let's hear this thing. Right now it's running a 750 ohm cement resistor for the bias, because the stock 470 just wasn't cutting it. A lot of people go even higher, 1K or more to get the plate dissipation at a normal level. Anyways, there's a lot of bass from this thing. I don't know if it's the amp itself or the speaker change or what, but I got the bass turned way down on this thing. And I'm running this is basically a Dave Gilmour black Strat that I built. This thing sounds good through anything, but this is a great amp. I'm using this collider for reverb and delay, and it doesn't affect the tone. And I'll kick in a compressor, the Ego 76, to push the front end a little bit. I keep leaving this thing plugged in. I'm gonna kill the battery, but you don't need to hear this thing. The amp sounds great on its own. Yeah, let's listen to this thing. It's on, by the way. Dead quiet. There's absolutely no buzz. So this is the bridge pickup, or we'll start with the neck pickup. The volume's at 5. Here it's starting to break up a little bit.